In this tutorial, I want to show how to share and also publish your presentation. So basically, at any point in the process, you don't have to be finished with your presentation in order to do this. You just go to the Share menu up in the upper right-hand corner. You'll notice the options to share, email collaborators, email as attachment, etc. We'll ignore these two for now. We're basically concerned about sharing the presentation and also publishing it. So under Share, you'll see that you have some options here. You can make it absolutely public on the web, or you can make it private. But what you do to change the settings is you have to click on that little Share button there. I think that's what it says. Let me go back and see. No, it says Change. And then what I normally do in terms of the visibility of presentations is I let anyone with a link see the site. Unless it's something I really want to be absolutely public and searchable, I basically just mostly want to share educational resources with people who have the link. And then if you really just want to work on something and not have it accessible at all, you can make it private. So I'm going to leave it set for that for now. I don't have any editor collaborators, so I don't need to allow anyone. I don't want to allow anyone to edit other than myself. But then I save that. Okay, so now basically I've got a link there, and if I wanted to email that link to people or whatever, or post that link as I do with these types of resources in Blackboard or on the course website, I can do that. So that part's done. So I've shared it. Then what I also want to do is publish the site so that it's visible, so it's publicly viewable. And since I've already done this, it says basically stop publishing, and that's because last time I went into this presentation, I published it already. So if you want to stop publishing, you just click on that button, and this is what you'd see if you hadn't ever, published it already. You'd see this option for publishing document. When you click that, it gives you the link, and it lets you see the options for player size and all that. But we'll deal with these later. For now, those are the two things you want to do. When you won't need any of this information either. You won't really need, in order to embed your presentation on your Google site, you won't need a link, and you also won't need the embed code. So once you have shared the site and published it, you're good to go. You can go on to the next step. And in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to then embed the Google Doc presentation on your Google Sites page.